When you hear the word analog, the antonym to that would be digital. And when we think of digital, we think of new school, modern. And when we think of analog, we think of old school and classic. But I'm here to challenge that whole belief system because I'm here to tell you that not all digital watches are very modern at all. It's time to get hands-on with the 1970 Lucerne Digital Swiss. Very, very interesting. Almost looks like a piano on my wrist. Let's take a look. It is 8:35 p.m. Let's get down to business. So it's kind of funny because when I think of early digital watches, I think of things like the Hamilton Pulsar, maybe the Seiko LCD, the Casio Tron. But there's one arguably more interesting digital presentation from a watchmaker you've probably never heard of, and that would be this Lucerne, the Lucerne Digital Swiss. Very, very fancy schmancy, and of course this watchmaker is defunct, and that's why you've never heard of it. But here's everything you need to know about this very unique piece. It's 35.3 millimeters by 39.4 millimeters, and it is 10.2 millimeters thick. Now, when you think digital watch, you might think battery powered, but this one is powered by a Cal 582 BFG manual movement. That's right, so this is manual wind, no batteries necessary. Talk about such a unique case shape here. You see some brushed grains on the flat surface of the what would we call this? I guess you can't really call this a bezel. Just the flat surface of the case, and then you see some polished surfaces here on the sides of the case. While it's on the wrist, the term wrist presence comes to mind. This is an absolute conversation starter. Even if you're not interested in watches, if you saw this on someone's wrist, you'd be like, what the heck is that? I just wanted to pop on here and show you a watch you've probably never heard of. And there are a few watchmakers who have kind of toyed with digital displays this way, but it goes to show you that not everything digital has an electronic display or a battery inside of it. This is a full-fledged, fully sold manual wind movement in here. It is not a soulless quartz, but still it is very interesting, and these were not very popular. That's probably why this watchmaker went defunct, and that's why we don't see a whole lot of these days. So nowadays we think digital, we think something like a G-Shock, but we shouldn't forget these circa 1970 weird wonky watches. But this one is a very affordable piece of horological history, and this is available right now at the Time Teller shop. We just did a massive restock, some insane watches available right now, and that's why it pushed back today's filming schedule, because I had to oversee everything getting posted on the website. So yeah, go ahead, check it out, and scoop this one up. All right, guys, I will catch you on the next one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, and always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it.